Hey guys, this is Braden Wiens with Wiens Wagyu, and I got something in the mail the other day that I am super excited about. This box came in the mail from CameronSeafood.com. The good guys from Cameron Seafood sent me a box of their crabs from Maryland. And these aren't just any old crabs that you can go buy from the store. These crabs were swimming in the Chesapeake Bay 24 hours ago. That's fresh. Okay, these crabs were swimming in the Chesapeake Bay 24 hours ago. Fresh crabs in the middle of Kansas. Doesn't get any better than that. And I'm normally talking to you guys about Wagyu, but right now we're going to talk about crabs and seafood. And let's see what's inside this thing. This is their bestseller sampler on their website. It comes with crabs, their crab cakes, some crab soup stuff, and spiced shrimp. Right away when you open it, it has instructions for everything that's in the box, which is great because I'm from Kansas and I don't know quality seafood and I'm kind of scared to cook it. So this takes all that guesswork away from me and I just know what to do. Here's the instructions on how to reheat the crabs, how to cook your crab cakes, how to reheat the spiced shrimp, and the soup, and they also give you some discount codes for friends to give your friends. Let's dig into this thing and see what we got. So right off the bat, they got 2 giant ice packs that keep it cold but not frozen, and that's some quality packaging right there. That's going to keep it cold and safe and fresh to you in 24 hours. We got their spiced shrimp right here, and a pound of that. We got I think 16 ounces of cream of crab bisque, which is going to be awesome. They use big chunks of crab in that stuff. This is jumbo lump Maryland crab cakes. Not real familiar with crab cakes, so I'm super excited to try their crab cakes. They're pretty well known for their crab cakes. Everybody loves them. Cook those up. And here is the crab. So these are swimming less than 24 hours ago. Now they're in Kansas. That's awesome. I'm ready to try these things. Super excited. It comes with half a dozen of their crabs. And this stuff is going to go awesome with our Wagyu from WiensWagyu.com. Make some awesome surf and turf. You can get our fresh beef delivered to your door. And this guy, you can get this stuff delivered straight to your door as well. Super excited. Go to the description down below. Get a discount code. Go to CameronSeafood.com and get a discount code for their website. Type in Wagyu and you'll get a discount code on their website. And try this with some of our Wagyu. They go great together. Excited to try it myself. Go to their website, check it out.